Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around and find something that you like and hit that subscribe button. So today we are going to be doing the Allure April 2020 at home lockdown box, I guess. I've heard some really good things about this box. I did not watch any spoilers, and actually really excited to get into this. This is a $15 a month box. Oh, and also people that do watch my channel and follow me, remember when there was a missing item in my Allure box, I think, what, 2 months ago? They actually sent it to me. I finally got it. I was so surprised. So they do live up to their word. Maybe it just took a little bit longer because of, you know, what's going on right now in the world today. But I'm very happy that they actually sent it to me. So very easy, quick, one email, you know. Anyway, so $15 a month, always comes with pretty much high-end beauty products, sometimes full-size products. I love this box. This box is great, you guys. Also, I wanted to put out there that right now Rakuten is doing a, and I'm not sponsored, by no means I'm not sponsored, but I do get a lot of money back from them. So they're doing like a refer a friend thing where it's like, I think it's you spend or you get $30 as soon as that person spends the $25, or you get $25 as soon as they spend $30 or something. I think that's what it is. Anyway, I will link it down below. If you haven't tried Rakuten, especially right now when we ain't got no, now they're not really giving that much money back, like, you know, like cashback wise right now, but they still are. Like Sephora's doing 2% or something. Morocco oil, I did today an order that was 3%. So I mean, cashback is cashback. And all you have to do is click on the app to get to the website. So anyway, I will link that down below. Try it out if you haven't tried it. And without further ado, let's get into our Allure box. Super excited for this. I always say that because I am. I mean, I don't think I've ever had a disappointing Allure box. Now that Sephora Play box that I just unboxed, that was pretty disappointing. So if you haven't watched that, go watch that. I wasn't, unless I don't have it up yet. I don't know which one I'm going to post first, but that wasn't a very good last box. Okay, so when you open it, and it feels heavy, it feels like there's some good stuff in here. Always somebody stunning and makes me jealous on the front, and it comes nicely wrapped in tissue paper. So there is our front, and I'm not going to go through it because then it will tell you everything in there. And then refer a friend. I will put the link down in the description for that as well. So let's go. Yeah, this looks good, you guys. This is a nice little box. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I'm seeing, which is really unique, I've never seen this in an Allure box, so I'm kind of excited. And I've gotten this many times with Sephora in their samples. And this is the Victor and Roth Flower Bomb. What? You gotta be kidding me. So it says, I first misted myself in Flower Bomb before running errands, which in this case meant doing extremely boring things while smelling like a bouquet of roses, jasmine, and orchids, and smelling like an expensive floral arrangement made in all the Bantley, whatever that means, a little more enjoyable. When I hit my favorite yoga class at midday, I was delighted to find that the scent's sultrier notes, patchouli, I think, musk, and the sweeter florals became more intense at the vinyasa flow heated up. Why is there going to be so many words I can't pronounce? Afterward, I wore the scent straight to have drinks, smelling like a calmed down version of the initial spritz. I keep about 7 different perfumes on rotation, but none of them last as long as the Flower Bomb. I now understand why this fragrance has a legion of disciples, and that it does. It's constant. People always get this. So for a full size with 1.7 ounces, this sucker's expensive. $115. I want to see if it like actually has a cute little bottle in there or not. Let's see. Oh, it does. It's so cute, you guys. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh. And it does. It smells really good. So there's that for our first item. It's so cute. I'm so happy. All right. Moving on to our next item. I believe we've gotten this before. before as like a lip balm or something. Let me see if I can find it. Oh my gosh, I just seen something that we're getting that I didn't even notice in there. All right, excuse the noise. So this is a Allure Skin Balance Toning Mist. Okay. In the past, the idea of adding toner to my alcohol-based formulas I used as a teen stripped my poor hormonal skin, leaving both physical and emotional scars. But Allure Balancing Toning Mist is not the toner of my adolescence. It's made with soothing floral waters from rose and neroli and oil-wicking white willow bark extract. After washing my face, I spritz on the mist 3 to 4 times before continuing the rest of my 7-step regimen. That's a long regimen. In the short term, the mist gives my combination skin a quick dose of hydration. In the long term, it's slowly controlling my oil production, thanks to the white willow bark. Full size of this sucker is $55. I want to see if it actually has a little spray on it. I think that I want to say it was a lip gloss that we got from them. Now it doesn't have, there went my paper. Oh, it smells so good. Because to me it looked like it said spray. All right, excuse me, I gotta grab my paper if I can get to it. I hate when I drop things, I'm sorry, excuse me. Okay. So maybe you got to see the guinea pigs, I don't know. Probably not, they're eating, they're hungry. Anyway, like I was saying, it gave an impression that it was a sprayer, but this is nice and this is nice size, so definitely gonna try that out. And it's glass, it's a glass bottle. Let's not drop that. All right, so what I was like getting all giddy about is there's a Thrive Cosmetics product in here, you guys. What? I love Thrive, love Thrive. All right, so Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Long Wearing Plumping Lip Liner. What? Are you kidding me? And this is full size, like seriously full size lipstick. And Thrive is not inexpensive, you guys. It's pretty up there, as you'll see. So, I always carry at least 2 lip liners in my purse. The only time I go without one is when I'm wearing lip gloss. The only time I go without one is when I'm wearing lip gloss. So why would you go without a lip liner when you're wearing lip gloss? Isn't that when you would want? Okay. Okay. All right. So, sorry, sidetrack. Or when I've lost my to-go pencil for the 324th time. Yeah, same. While most liners can double as lipsticks, this one is specifically made to be both. The finish leans more matte, but your lips aren't left dry because the formula is full of moisturizing ingredients, including shea butter, jojoba oil, and meadow foam seed oil. I tried the khaki shade, a taupe color that blends seamlessly under brown lipstick, a V-A-L-I-S-I-A, a bright magenta with Nicki Minaj vibes, now both a fixture in my lip routine. This is valued at $20, full price. And this is that Velasa, or however, I don't know how to pronounce it, if it'll focus. Yeah, I don't know. So, let's see. I'm so hot, sweating in here. All right, so that's what it looks like when you take it out. Has your Thrive written there. I love their mascara. If you haven't tried it, give it a shot, you guys. It's so good. And it is a retractable lip liner. Oh, it is pretty, especially for this time of year. So, super excited for that. What? Okay, moving on, because I'm sweating like crazy, crazy. So this is something that we have gotten from them before. Not this product, but this brand. And I haven't even used it. It's still sitting in my drawer. I've looked at it. It just feels like work. It is an exfoliator that's like powder that you have to wet and da-da-da-da-da. So I don't know how to pronounce it, but Allure, Hydrating and Calming Serum. Made with hyaluronic acid and potassium sorbate, this gel-like serum is perfect for my oily skin. I have dry skin, so I don't know how that works. When I use it in the morning, it doesn't make me look as if I've dunked my head in a vat of oil, like heavier serums I've tried. And I can use it at night knowing I won't wake up with new blemishes. In fact, after a few uses, I noticed the hormonal pimples I've been fighting for weeks had decreased in size and redness, but most impressive is how much moisture you get with something that goes on so lightly. And it looks like this might be the full size, and it's valued at $15. You guys, it's so hot in here. I don't understand. I think it's the lights, but good grief. I'm like, I'm gonna be melting. It's not quite full. I don't know if like that's, and it looks like mine leaked. I don't know. See that? It looks like yeah, mine definitely leaked. Okay, so mine did. Okay, that kind of stinks. Aw, okay. Oh well, but it's all right. It does have a slight smell to it, but it's not bad. I'm a little upset about that. It makes me sad. But anyway, there's that. Let me know if you guys have tried that and what you think of it. This is what they should have done with that. See how this is sealed in plastic? Why couldn't that have been sealed in plastic? All right, so this is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. Hairstylists preach that healthy hair and hot tools do not belong in the same sentence, but I refuse to give up heat. Yeah, well, that's true. Although, I would give it up right now. I'm sorry, I know. I get so sidetracked reading these things because they're just like a person's description. They're not the description. I mean, there is a description, sort of, kind of, but it's not like, you guys know what I mean. It's weird reading these things. To minimize damage, I always prep with a heat protectant and blow drying cream. Then once my hair is dry, I seal my style with nourishing oils. It's a process, but this spray combines all the steps into one quick spritz. After I shower, I mist the hydrating blend of argan and sunflower seed oils on my damp hair. The detangler saves me from having to comb through stubborn knots, plus the Color Safe formula shields my hair from thermal and UV damage while also adding shine. Full size is $12. I do like this brand, and I've never tried this product, so I'm happy to try it. I love leave-in stuff like this, so extremely happy. Excuse me, alcohol break, sorry guys. Cheers. Okay, so we have 2 more items left in this box. I am 12 minutes in and I'm like, dude, you can see like my hair sticking to my neck. I'm so hot. I don't understand. And it's nighttime. Like I have the door open right beside me. I have a little fan blowing on me. What? Okay. Where is you at? Where is you at? There you are. All right, so, okay. I have this, I like this, and I'm not gonna open this because I will put this in for a giveaway, a future giveaway. But this is this, I think it's called Cicapair. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it. This stuff is good. Dr. Jart and Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. This cream is meant to, is meant to work as a tinted moisturizer, color corrector, and sunscreen all rolled into one. The namesake ingredients, tiger grass, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. In this jar, the cream looks like a mossy clay mask. It does, it's like green. And this green wonder neutralizes all the issues, consistently red skin, hormonal acne. I typically turn to foundation to solve. Then the green fades into a beige that blends into my fair complexion. Sometimes I can leave the house with just wearing the treatment and a swipe of mascara. I don't know about all that, not me, but full size is $52 and this stuff works. So I'm excited to get an extra one of these to let somebody else try this that hasn't tried it, because it is a really good product, you guys, and it doesn't smell bad either. Last product, and I love this product and I use these all the time, so I'm so happy to get this. This box knocked it out of the park this month. All right, so this is Pure Lease. I love Pure Lease. I just finished my priming moisturizer green tea first bottle, on to the second. This one is Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. The sheet mask is soaked in watermelon, aloe vera, and cucumber to help soothe and hydrate skin. I like to apply it at night for 15 minutes, usually while catching up on TV. When I take it off, I pat the excess serum because those ingredients are too good to waste. I go to bed and wake up looking radiant, glowy, and feeling my best. And for 6 of these, it's $18. This is the primer that I was just talking about that I have. I love this primer. So I would have been happy to actually, I'm happy with either one of these, but that's kind of cool because that's the primer that I'm using. But I love Pure Lease masks, you guys. If you haven't tried them, they're bomb. All right, so let's recap, you guys. I'm super excited for this box. You got like crazy, well worth the $15. All right, so we have our Pure Lease. We have our Eva NYC. We have this Sika pair, I don't know. We have something that leaked, which I'm a little sad about, but not too much of it, you know, so not a whole lot got lost. We have this I don't know how to pronounce it. Victor and Roth Flower Bomb, which is so cool. I'm so excited for that. And also a Thrive Cosmetics. Look into their brand. They're awesome. They are doing really good things, you guys. So if you don't know about this brand, please go look into them. But for $15, you guys, what? Killed it. Let me know if you guys get this box and what you got, if you got the same things. And what do you think about the Victor and Roth? Because some people love it, some people hate it. I love it. I think it smells so good. So I'm be curious to see what my subscribers think. Let me know down below if you guys have tried it and if you like it. And also the Thrive Cosmetics. Yay. All right. So thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to let me know what you thought of the box down below. And that's about it, you guys. Thank you so much. You have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.